Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search icon, then in the search bar type settings and click here to open it. On this window just scroll down and click on troubleshoot, then go to other troubleshooters. Again scroll down and click on run from Windows Store apps. It will try to detect the problems and to resolve it. So wait for some time. Now close this window, then click on Windows Update and simply check for updates and try to download and install the latest one. Once done, close this window. Click on search bar and type settings. Again open settings, then go to apps tab, select apps and features. Now scroll down, click on these three dots from Microsoft Teams, then select prepare. After that click on reset. Now close this window. Now open settings, go to apps tab, then select apps and features. Again scroll down, then open advanced options from Microsoft Teams. Simply click on uninstall, then search for. After that close this window. Now open Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar type Microsoft Teams download, then click on the first link from the search results, then click on download for desktop and select your once done double click on it and simply click on install. This will take some time to complete the installation process. Now log in with, and there we go. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.